One of these, right?
Hi. Hello. We are about to go on the bus for the Garlic Festival with the West Hartford Life and Learn program. Woo, on this big Peter Pan bus. Let's go. Alright, we have the list here of all the different types of garlic we're going to eat. Garlic fried dough, garlic ice cream,
garlic crab cakes,
garlic crab cakes, garlic kielbasa,
garlic pulled pork,
pierogies, garlic chocolate. Oh my goodness.
Mixed nuts with garlic.
We just walked in, the first booth, and she buys a t-shirt already. We just got here and we are trying to find the food. There is beautiful clothing first, which is distracting my mom.
Yeah, the food's way down here. Well, wait, we want to look at the crafts too.
Oh, now we're gonna go look at the crafts. Hello, what's your name?
Lauda.
Lauda, and look at this. Lauda has incorporated the garlic into her hair and her braid. Oh, beautiful. Hello, look at these awesome earrings. Show us. Woohoo! Fabulous. What's your name?
David.
David, nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Deanna.
Nice to meet you.
I love your earrings.
Thank you.
So fashionable. Yeah, let's go in and split it.
Let's do it.
We both.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, wow.
Documenting your whole day here?
Check it out.
Here we go.
Actually, this is the first thing we've eaten.
Ooh. Oh.
There's your garlic aspect of it.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
All right, we're trying fried Brussels sprouts with garlic aioli.
Saugerties famous.
Ooh. Really?
No cheese.
Oh, wow.
Now we're cooking.
We're eating the fried Brussels sprouts, but now we just found what? Garlic ice cream. What do you guys think about garlic ice cream? I'm forcing my mom to try it so that she can show you
I really
guys.
don't want to try it, but we'll see.
We'll see. I'm excited for it. I vote that it's probably going to be good. We're going to find out. Ooh.
Yeah, what's in it besides garlic?
Yeah. What? How do you make it?
It's just premium vanilla ice cream, and then we put minced garlic right into the cream. So
Okay, minced garlic in the vanilla ice cream. Okay.
it actually tastes really good. You'd be surprised.
Thank you very much.
I'm excited.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Here.
All right, everyone, we're trying garlic ice cream. Okay, here we go. Wait, we gotta try it at the same time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I taste it.
It's good.
So good.
Yeah, it's good.
We were so afraid to try it. Yeah, it's very vanilla-y. And just little tiny flakes of garlic, so it's not too
It's
overpowering.
really good. I'm surprised.
Secret family recipe I made up.
So do we like garlic ice cream?
It's delicious.
Garlic ice cream! Woo!
Remember Guido's?
Put it on the internet.
Guido's.
Yeah.
Mom? Let me see them. Ooh.
So we're gonna eat the crab cake. We're gonna eat the crab cake.
Yes.
And then we're gonna eat garlic clam chowder next. And then I'll probably be full. Okay, maple garlic donut bites.
Wow.
Garlic crab cake. And garlic clam chowder. With croutons. Sauteed, oh my God, they were so good. We never had them before.
Garlic scape pesto. Oh my God. That's good. I'm gonna have another one.
That's really good.
Look, they have just straight up garlic here to try. Hi. Hello. Hi, Mom.
Oh, I can't eat any more garlic.
Oh my goodness. I'm having the sweats. So is Mom. We ate so much garlic. I have a garlic headache. And now we are going to the Rip Van Winkle Hudson Valley River Cruise on this beautiful day. Oh, we're so full. Thank you.